Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a ClickUp account from your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create your ClickUp account, just simply open this ClickUp application into your phone. Then this option will appear. Just simply tap into this Get Started button. Then after that, you just simply have to put your email address and then click to Next button at the top right corner. And after doing that, ClickUp will send you a verification code into your email address. Just simply check for the verification code into your email address and put that in this box. Then after entering the verification code, just simply type your full name at this upper box. Then after that, set a new password for your account at the second row. Then similarly, repeat the same password at the last row and click to sign up button. Then after doing this very easy step, your ClickUp account will successfully be created. By following this very easy step, you can also create your ClickUp account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.